Hey, what's up, everybody? What's going on? So, we are playing this new game called Ethernaut. Hello, Ethernaut. It's a smart contract security game, if I'm not mistaken. So, we're gonna go ahead and so when you first get started, it says Hello, Ethernaut, and the dev tools, and it'll let you know player's address, and you have to be set up on your MetaMask. We're on the Rinkeby test network, and you can get yourself some ether to use to pay for the gas fees and transactions. This is actually 5 HTSP. It's an ERC 721 that I minted. You can see minted these back in May, and you can also verify them on the Rinkeby testnet. As you can see, success. And if you click on the token address here, it will tell you the holders. You can see contract Helium NFT HTSP. This is the contract address. You can see the holders, which is just me. Quantity 6. So yeah, just wanted to share that a little bit. But back to Ethernaut. So in this video, we're gonna just basically go through this together and see what we could learn. So this gives you the balance, current ether balance. So let's type that in to make sure that works. So get balance and of the player, which is us. So we type that in, click enter, promise, pending. All right, so as you can see, it's been fulfilled and we have 7.49. So we can also verify that by checking on our MetaMask account, and there we go, 7.4953. Our balance is accurate. Okay, so that was good. Help is all right, so I'll expand the promise to see the actual value, even if it reads pending. If you're using Chrome, you can use await get balance for a cleaner console experience. All right, so let's see what that looks like. When we do that, await get balance player, enter. Okay, and it just provides you the results right from the jump. Cool, not too bad. I like that. All right, so now we're going to go to step 4, the Ethernaut contract. So we're going to type that in, and we're going to see what that is. So I already did that previously. That's right here. But just for video's sake, let's do it one more time. So Ethernaut. All right. Click that and click enter. So this is what it looks like originally. So you'll need to click on this arrow to drop down the smart contract. And this is the main, the game's main smart contract. You don't necessarily need to interact with it, but it's good to just review the smart contract, just to see what it looks like. So level completed log, you click on this arrow here, and then we can see the arguments and everything related to it, the constructors. As you see, more and more drops, gets you further along. So we're just going to close that up. This is our address for the game, I believe. Ethernaut address, yep. Okay, so let's move on to the next. All right, so go ahead and expand the Ethernaut object to see what's inside. And we did that, so now we see what's inside. So we're gonna go to step 5, interact with the ABI. So Ethernaut is a truffle contract object that wraps the Ethernaut.sol contract that has been deployed to the blockchain. Among other things, the contract's ABI exposes all of the Ethernaut.sol public methods, such as owner. Type the following command, for example. So let's see what this does. And I know I can copy and paste, but I just like typing because it allows me to learn better. And we're also going to use the await, so we can just get direct to the results instead. So Ethernaut, okay, dot owner, and parentheses, and click enter. So it looks like it pulled up a transaction ID. You can see the owner of the Ethernaut contract is, which is not you, of course. So now that's what that is. Now let's just actually do it without the await and see what it looks like. So Ethernaut.owner. Alright, obviously we click and then click on promise here. So here's everything. Add listener, emit listeners, off, on, remove all listeners. Stop that. And the promise results. Okay, cool. So that is the Ethernaut contract. Now so get test ether. To play the game, you will need test ether. The easiest way to get some test ether is by a faucet. So we can click this here, and you'll see the faucet that comes up. I'll show you. It's the Rinkeby authenticated faucet. So the social network URL containing your Ethereum address. Give me ether. So we're gonna do 3 ethers, 8 hours. Excuse me, I forgot to do that. So I have ether already, but what? No, that wasn't me. That must be somebody else. Ah, son of a gun. I forgot how to do this. Alright, how does this work? The Ether faucet, I think I got like tweet something. To request funds via Twitter, make a tweet with your Ethereum address, paste it into the contents. Surrounding text doesn't matter. Copy, paste the tweet's URL into the above input box. Fire away. Alright, so that's what we have to do. Alright, so now here we need to put our MetaMask address, so for the Rinkeby test network. So we'll actually copy and paste, put that there. Now we have the tweet. Tweet has gone through. Sorry, I had to do some of that there. I should be already following him already. Alright, let's make sure that our tweet go through. I think so. Alright. Oh shoot, I forgot to get the URL for it. Hold on. There it is. There we go. Okay, so now we should be getting some ether here for our accounts. We can verify that. It says that it's been funded. Now let's see. All right, there we go, 10.49 ether. So that's exactly how you can go ahead and get yourself some test ETH from the Rinkeby faucet. And now, so here we go. We have our test ether. Now, step 7, it says get in a level instance. What the heck? I'm sorry. I need to turn off these notifications. It's driving me crazy. All right. So when playing a level, you don't interact directly with the Ethernaut contract. Instead, you ask it to generate a level instance for you. To do so, click the blue button at the bottom of the page. Go do it now and come back. All right, so I did that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Click confirm. All right, so it looks like it sends a transaction here. Request a new instance from the level. Now we're going to go to step 8. So you should be prompted by MetaMask to authorize the transaction. Do so, and you should see some messages in the console. Note that this is deploying a new contract in the blockchain and might take a few seconds. So please be patient when requesting new level instance. All right, so we had our transaction sent. It was mined, and here we go. There's our transaction address verification. So now, step 8, inspecting the contract. Just as you did with the Ethernaut contract, you can inspect this contract's API through the console using contract variable. So step 9, interact with the contract to complete the level. Look into the level's info method. So now let's see what this contract looks like. So contract dot info, open close parentheses, click enter. Alright, now we're going to click on this arrow, promise here, and here we go. So you will find what you need in info 1. Alright, cool. Now do I need to go to info 1? You should have all you need to complete the level within the contract. When you know you have completed a level, submit the contract using the orange button at the bottom. This sends your instance back to the Ethernaut, which will determine if you have completed it. Tip: don't forget, you can always look in the contract's ABI. Alright, I think we completed this level. Oh boy, let's see, submit. I think, ooh, oops, looks like you haven't cracked this level just yet. Alright, so you will find what you need in info 1. Alright, so that's what I need to do. So contract dot info 1, open close. Try info 2, but with hello as a parameter. Okay. Let's try that now. So we're gonna do, it says to use hello as a parameter. So I believe let's just put in that information within the parentheses. So we're gonna do contract dot info 2, open parentheses. We're gonna put hello slash here, close parentheses, and boom. Oh crap, did I forget my contract.info to open this, hello, that, this, that. Alright, hold on, maybe I'm supposed to put it after. Let's try this. Oh, come on! Alright, so oh, this is what coding is about, alright? But we've figured it out. So I mean, I knew this, obviously that was what I originally had done, but I didn't do it correctly. So here you go. We have this part done. Now it says the property info num holds the number of the next info method to call. So alright, so should we try this? Contract dot info num. Enter. Oh shit, I forgot parentheses. Contract dot info num parentheses. BN. Bien, that's French for good. How about let's try it with the await. $42. The method name is the name of the next method. Okay. Alright, so contract dot the method name, just that. The method name is, oh come on! How far does this go? Okay. um, is it with the period? Alright, I'm copying this string now. Okay, contract dot this, no, not all of this. No. Okay. If you know the password, submit it to authenticate. If I know the password. Um see, did I do? Ah. Okay, okay. Let me think. It's got to be the numbers, right? The password. Obviously, what am I? If you know the password, submit it to authenticate. All right, let's try this. Contract dot authenticate parentheses 712 3949 cancel. Enter. Okay, no. Because last time we did, let's try it with contract authenticate 712 3949 close, enter. Confirm. Undefined. I think that was it. I think I got it. Submit. Are we done? Oh! Why? Alright, maybe I need to wait for this to complete first. Always looking at contracts ABI. There's still some stuff happening here. Still showing pending. Let's go back up to the contract. Here's contract ABI. Always watching Cryptechology. I just want to say thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you for hitting that like button. Oh, yeah! You have completed this level! Awesome! Congratulations, you have completed the tutorial. Have a look at Solidity code for the contract you just interacted with below. You are now ready to complete all the levels of the game. As of now, you're on your own. Godspeed. Get new instance, go to the next level. That is so awesome! Alright. Well, let me go ahead and finish making this video.